guys! For today's video, I'm currently in Malate because I'm preparing kasi pupunta ako ng Thailand sa Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday night yung flight ko going to Thailand. And I'm so excited kasi first time ko lang pumunta ng Thailand and it's also my first time going out of the country. So I'm nervous, of course, pero at the same time, I'm happy and grateful that I'm finally going out of the country and my first country is Thailand. So yeah, later I'm gonna prepare yung eSIM ko, yung e-ticket ko, syempre, check ko ulit, and yung mga requirements pa. So, let's go! Wow! What a view! Room tour. So this is the executive suite, guys. Yes. May CR siya. And guess what? Meron siyang shower dito. And I guess this is cabinet. And sarang! Ayan. Ang ganda. So this is the living area. This is the TV. And yan, meron pang speakers. And look at this. Kitang-kita dito yung sunset and sunrise. Yes. Office table. So kapag mag-work ka, and this is the master bedroom. Yan. May TV rin dito. And I think this is another cabinet. Yes. Wow. May cabinet din dito. And this is the master CR. Yan. May shower din dito. And my bathtub. Look at this view. Imagine waking up from your bed, then seeing the sunrise here. Wow. Let's go down. Mag-Starbucks ako. We're gonna go down because I'm gonna buy a Starbucks. Nagkikrib ako ng something hot to drink. So let's go. Katuwa, meron pa rin silang mga lights dito. Bagong matcha na sila flavor. Like pure matcha cream frap. Tapos, ano to? Ice creamy pure matcha latte. Got my white chocolate mocha. And nag-take out din ako ng cheesecake. Para may kainin ako maya. I'm back at the elevator. Let's go. 15th floor ako eh. Pinakadulo pa ako, guys. Kakaloka. Anyways, let's go. Kasi nasa executive suite ako. Here, let's go. So I'm back in my hotel room and wala, looking back lang, I'm so grateful with everything that I have right now. Like, grabe no, na-realize ko, hindi to mangyayari lahat. Hindi dahil kay God. That's why I always pray and I always thank Him. And of course, not just thank Him but also apologize for your mistakes, diba? Kasi mas papatawarin tayo ng Panginoon pag honest tayo sa mga kasalanan natin sa Kanya. But yeah, looking back, I'm grateful for how far I've come and I'm proud of myself. Because yun, I stay strong throughout the year last year. And this year we're still going strong. And we're still gonna fulfill our dreams. Yes. It's 5 a.m. and I can't sleep. I don't know why I can't sleep. But I just took a shower, like a hot shower. Just half bath. And now I'm just waiting for breakfast. Look at my view. So peaceful. Look at that. Wow. Look at my view, guys. Wow. Let's eat. Ang ganda ng Korean restaurant na to. Korean restaurant. Yes. Hi guys! I'm just preparing right now because mamaya na yung flight ko to Bangkok. So let's go! Ito lang yung outfit ko. Simple lang. White tee, crop top, and skirt na may slit dyan sa Gedli. So let's go! Mag-ayos na tayo. Here's my luggage. I'm contemplating if dadaling ko pa tong slippers ko or mag-sandals na lang ako. And doon na lang ako bumili, no? So, yeah, sasara ko na tong baggage ko. Let's go! Sa Terminal 1 na ako, guys. I don't know why, pero nawala yung audio ko dito. But yeah, bumili lang kami ng Starbucks kasi hindi pa kami nakain. And andito na kami sa departure area. Look at the sunset.
Destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines to Heart of the
Chicken pasta.
So di rin pala, bitin din pala yung weekend.
Restaurant dito. No wheels. Crush me. Evan. Dito na kami kagabi. Ano yung mga food oh? Sarap. Sarap ng pad krapaw nila. Ito ba yun? Saan? Oo, ano yan? Sausage. Ang dami. Pad krapaw. Masarap daw ito eh. Makita. Okay. 0.53. 0.53. Piazza de Roma. Hey, hey. Mag-search na lang tayo sa TikTok. Sit lang. Bird ng ano. Init eh, grabe. Central Mall. Ba yan? Sa Gentlewoman kami. Yan. Ganda. Ang ganda na yung maganda dito. Ay, ito pala yung mga ano nila. Andito yung mga black and white lang. Cute na ito. Mini. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa ganito. Gongcha. Gongcha, Thailand. Let's go.
Dito talaga yung mahal kaya
Let's go, Platinum Mall. Tiko, sa utong. Ah, Platinum Mall ba to? Original ba yan?
Original yan, te.
Gluta?
Ganyan lahat, yun na mo. Lahat dyan.
Ang daming ano. Ang laki oh. Pero tester lang yan. At yung normal na hong tayo. Ito yung normal na hong tayo.
Pen.
Iba't ibang inhaler. Okay, andito kami sa Platinum Mall. Ito yung Platinum Mall to. Ayan. 150 baht. Ang dami. Ang dami na. Yes. Oo nga, sige, wait lang. Sofia. Mga rod, 80 pesos. Iba yan yung sikat rod. Hindi alam mo kung ano yung gusto ko tigman dito. Masarap ba yun? Yung parang na buhay na ano. Hindi ba? What? Daming food. Ras. Parang ano pala to? Tagaytay. Ay, Tagaytay. Divisoria. In hotel and resort. Let's go. I'm so tired. Tingnan mo naman yung hawak ko. Kung ano-ano. Sobrang bigat. Yes. We're back sa hotel room. Kapagod. Magawa ako ng ano, haul. Grabe, ang dami kong pinamili, guys. Ang dami niya. Let's do a haul. So first, dito, bili ako ng inhaler. Then, ano else? And also this one. Serum. And mga soap. Alada. And milk soap. And order na ako ng soup soap. And ito naman, dalawang pants na. Short and elephant pants. Here. Mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice. Tikman natin siya. And here, another top. Top. Yes. Hong Thai. 6 pieces lang. Tiger balm. Patches. Elephant pants. Ito. Ayan, mga magnet. Ayan, magnet. Mga wallet. Magnet and mga earrings lang na cute earrings. Clip para sa pamangkin ko. Yeah, I think that's it. Wait, nahulog yung isa pang earrings. Ito ang cute niya. Gold lang. Yan lang. Actually, wala naman ganun kaganda bilhin. Mga ano lang talaga. More on whitening products. Hindi pa nga ako nakabili ng lotion. Pero yeah, that's it, guys. Soup lang. Nasa lounge tayo. Ayun. Food, rice, chicken, and pork. So, ito yung mga drinks nila. Ano to, chicken? onion pakora, spinach, cheese. For the vlog, charot. Na yung pagkain. I'm scared. TikTok too. Oh my gosh. Sushi. Breakfast. Indian station. Vegetarian din sila. Can't sleep, so let's eat breakfast. Dessert, crumble. I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Yogurt, vegan chocolate cake, and hot chocolate. Another day. I just woke up, guys. And yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go to the pool. So, you guys. We're here having lunch and guys, Michelin guide pala tong restaurant. For dahiga. Market. Banana. Walking. It's my last day in Thailand. And gusto ko mag-McDo. Mamakdo tayo. Let's go. May Burger King dito. I'm gonna go straight ahead to McDonald's. Grabe, apakainit. Tingnan nyo naman. Super hot. We're near, I think. Let's go. So hot. Chili. I think sa burger yung may spicy. Samurai pork burger. Chili. Baka samurai. What's this? Dessert. I'm gonna try this samurai pork burger. Dito ako sa McDonald's ngayon, guys. Let's try if masarap ba yung McDonald's nila. Order ako ng samurai burger. I think it's a spicy burger. Then I ordered corn pie. Yeah, corn pie siya. Tapos cheesy dip. Let's try it if masarap siya. Yes. So fries, corn pie, and samurai burger. Let's try. Let's try. That's samurai burger. And my cheesy dip. Sarap naman. Meron natin special. Zero. Cheese bowl. Parang cheese whiz lang pala. Cheese whiz. Sarap. Corn pie. Try natin. Init. Sarap. Lasang corn. Ayun na may corn siya sa loob. Good. Icon Siam. I think to Bangwa. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nakakalito naman. Hindi ako sanay na.
Platform 3. Kaya natin to. Sky train to Gold Lane. Papunta ang Icon Siam. Let's go. Wala. We're here. Icon Siam. Yan yung CR dito, guys. Meron dito ang silent. May dryer na siya. Included. Yes. Dito. Ang laki. Dito, dito yung merong dog. Ang ng aso. Sino yun naman? Ang laki. Yes. Anong CR? Meron mo naman. It's all gold. For tayo. Yes. Victoria's Secret. Magkano kaya yung PJs? Wow. Ang ganda ng floor na yan. Very aesthetic. Okay, hinahanap ko yung falls. Saan ba yung falls? Punta tayo ng falls. Wala pang falls because it's still early. That's why. Hindi siya ganun kaganda kapag umaga. Anyways, is here. Ini mo. Asigasini, Manila. We're going to Harborlands. So cool. Bye, Thailand. Time to go home. Back to normal. Yes. We're here. Sun Street. Let's go. Mamaya pa 6 yung flight namin.
Ano pag-drop na tayo? Hindi dapat ako bibili. May nakita kong Pinoy may bit-bit.
Let's go home.